Want to make over $32,000 every month just by clicks? Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make over $32,000 just by clicks. And this is free and worldwide. So you guys can do this from anywhere for free. And you can be adult, teenager, female, male, and you can still do this and earn the money. And guys, make sure you guys don't click off this video because we're gonna be using 3 different websites to make this money possible, and they're all simple websites, and 2 of them are, or actually I think most of them you guys probably watched some of my videos and you guys know about it, but there's some big websites that no one is using right now, and there's like less than 100 people using this method that I'm just showing you guys because there's not a lot of videos on this stuff. And one of the websites that I'm going to show you guys, no one has mixed that website with this website. And if you guys mix that one website with these 2 other websites, you guys can make big money. You guys can even make like hundreds, so 100,000, 200,000, and even more. And I'm going to show you guys where to get the clicks from and where to make that money possible. So let's get started. Make sure you guys click the like button and click the subscribe button. If you guys press the bell notification, and every time I upload a brand new video, YouTube will send you a notification so you guys don't miss out, and you guys will be the first one to watch it and make the most money out of that video. So we're going to be using 3 different websites, and one of them I already talked about, which is of course Spreezy. I don't want to mention this I don't want to talk about this a lot and mention it because I think if you guys watched my other video, you guys already know what this is. Well, I'm just gonna briefly talk about it just like for a second. Spreezy is a place where people can actually like grow their channel, they can create ads for their channel to get subscribers, views, and likes, real engagement, all that stuff. So what we're not doing that, we're actually signing up for the affiliate program, and how we're earning the money is by the affiliate program. And we're actually not earning the money, we just need this link. We don't need anyone to sign up for this, and if anyone sign up, that's gonna be good, but we're really not on that side of the wall, which we do need the 20% commission. We're actually on the other side of the wall. If we have the wall, let's say like half is one side, half is the 20% commission, and the other half is this other website that I'm going to talk about. We're going to be using the other website mostly because this one is hard to use, so but we're still going to use this link because who knows, someone might sign up for the Spreezy thing and grow their channel, try to grow their channel. And I'm guaranteeing you guys that if you guys want to use this, the link is in the description below, and it can grow your channel if you guys have a channel as well. And it's not that expensive. As like the cheapest one is 30 bucks, which is not that expensive. So we're gonna be using this Spreezy with 2 other websites. Before I reveal the actual website that we're gonna be using to get the actual money, we're gonna get money from Spreezy as well, but before I like reveal the other website that is we're mostly on that side, make sure you guys click the like button and click the subscribe button. So you want to copy this link and go to this website called shrinkearn.com. So guys, shrinkearn, if you guys don't know about it, is a place where you guys get long links like the one I just showed you, and go here and short it for yourself, and every time someone clicks on it you earn money. So I think it's 1,000 clicks, 20 bucks, and that's how I made the money that I showed you guys on the intro of this video, where I think over 32,900 and something. I made that mostly from this, and I think I got like 25 commissions from here, but the rest I made it from this. And the good thing about commission is you guys are gonna get 1 year commission, so every time they sign up you're still gonna earn the money. And even if they don't sign up for the commission, you're still gonna make money because they clicked on your link. So this is the 2 best ways you guys can make money. They click, you earn money. They sign up, you earn money. So double money in the same time. So you want to paste that URL you got from Spreezy, you want to short it here, and here you gotta short the URL. But what you guys are probably wondering, hey man, how can I get the traffic? Well, I'm gonna give you guys some free traffic tools that's gonna help you boost this, and you guys can get over 100k clicks every single day. 100k clicks. you guys can get over that, and that's pretty easy. Let me show you guys how. We're gonna be using this website called, make sure you guys click the like button and subscribe button before I reveal the name. It's called Facebook. There's a lot of groups, there's a lot of pages about this YouTube thing. So this is actually spreads about YouTube, yeah. So you want to go on Facebook and search YouTube, then select groups, then you guys can join these groups. And look, this guy, this group have like 130 posts every day, so they have big people in it. They have a lot of people in it, so that's gonna help you make more out of it. So you guys can get like thousands of clicks very easy, and you guys can make the money. So this is how you get the free traffic, organic traffic. You guys don't need to spend the money on traffic, and every time someone clicks on your link, you're gonna earn money, and every time someone signs up, you're gonna earn money as well. So that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope it was helpful for you. We're gonna post videos about making money 3 times every week: Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Make sure you guys stay tuned for that and click the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of those videos. Thanks a lot. I'll see you in the next video.